Instructions to get started with AcudocX. Choose self-service extract translation or full translation. If you choose self-service or extract translation, select the type of document to translate. Then select whether you'd like to do it yourself or let the translator do it all. Upload or take a photo of the source document. Use the crop function to zoom in and select each field shown in bilingual text and then click Next. Enter the information in English and click Continue when done. If you have more documents to translate, click Add a new translation. Choose whether or not you want your documents posted to you, and then pay with one of the payment options. When finished, sit back and relax. Your certified translation will be returned to you shortly.